Let the games
It's
begin.
time to make some games on. No, no, no. Give me something better. Something cooler. Some one drops. Maybe. No? Jesus. That is so bad. No, you're not a one drop.
Ah, hello there.
Always respect your opponent. First rule of Hearthstone. First rule of Hearthstone. First rule of Hearthstone. Oh dear God.
Illume guide my lands.
You disrespect me, bastard. Yeah, I suppose I could use some healing. Oh dear God. Not templing me like a boss.
Wanted. Dead
First
or
thing you
alive.
know, I give him savage. Yeah. That's not gonna happen.
Where shall I strike?
Yeah, but... this is the end result, Druid.
Unleash the beast.
You little shit.
I serve the fire lord.
Burn, riches, burn. Burn. Yeah. I burn you, bro. And I'll have a nice card draw next turn. If you don't play too much, I will totally appreciate it.
Someday I'll be just like you.
Job's done.
Value. 3 mana, draw 4 cards. Hell yeah. In this case, actually 2 mana. Oh yeah. We're back in business. Ha, druids, suck on that. Didn't see that coming, did ya? Well, keeper. Keeper of the groove, come to daddy. I mean, it's obvious you're gonna play that card. Wait, forcing already? Too soon! You have been forcing too soon, Executus. Especially if there's a taunt. What? Does he actually have double Signature Savage Roar in his hand? You're still not pulling me. You're not quite there yet. Well, I'm definitely not playing this. Think I should force it. The Craigasm! Oh, oh, baby. Burn, wretches, burn. You will totally freaking burn.
Nothing can stop me. Nothing.
I serve the fire lord. I serve the fire lord.
Just a little bit more. Oh, that was some insane unstable portal.
I concede.
Yeah, I thought so. I mean, come on. Those portals were insane. Especially that second one. Oh my god.